Hi YouTube, we're looking at a typical galley area for a motorhome or caravan, and you see the splashback there and all this gear hanging about the sink area. It's a little bit untidy and it's got to be put away each time you move. So I've looked at solutions to this. So I've come up with the idea of these little storage containers that just hang on the lip of the splashback. Standard Carex or Corex dispenser, and you see the back there just hangs nicely over the edge of the splashback. When these holders are being fitted, you've just got to be careful not to pull it out at the bottom when you're fitting it. Just push it flat against the surface and slide it down. It just sits on nicely. And to remove it, just slide it straight up, because if you pull it out, you might crack the actual back of the holder there. So this splashback thickness is pretty standard at 4mm, so that's the standard fitting. There is a wider, a thicker splashback. It's about 5.5mm, which can be accommodated, and these are the different types: dishwash, hand wash, tea bags. There's no drainage holes in the tea bag type, and the bottom's lacquered so to stop it absorbing water. So there you have it, splashback holders. Hope you find them useful.